Transform your creative projects with the power of AI-driven voice. And today, we're diving deep into Higgsfield Speak AI. First, navigate to the Higgsfield Speak AI platform. You'll see a clean interface, ready for your input. This is where the magic begins. You'll simply type in the dialogue you want your AI voice to speak. Let's imagine you're creating a character. You can input their lines right here, whether it's a single word or an entire script. Higgsfield can handle it. Now, for the crucial part, choosing your voice. Higgsfield offers a variety of lifelike voices. Browse through the available options, listening to the previews until you find the perfect match for your character or project's tone and personality. Think about the age, accent, and gender that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, you can often fine-tune aspects like speaking speed or pitch if the platform allows for it, giving you even more control over the final output. With your dialogue typed and your voice chosen, it's time to generate the audio. Simply hit the Generate button. Higgsfield's AI will process your text and create a realistic voiceover. You'll then have an audio file ready to download. This audio can be seamlessly integrated into your videos, podcasts, games, or any visual creation, breathing life into your narratives with professional sound AI voices. Empower your storytelling and bring your characters to life with the incredible capabilities of Higgsfield Speak AI. It's your shortcut to exceptional AI-powered voiceovers.